straight true or false means what? These are the images given. These are the faces, vertices and edges. We have to match them. Which one is correct? Which one is wrong? See here, this one. Basically, this and this is both these are same. Remember this. Only the difference is of the height of this base. Okay. So faces, how many? 9. Okay. So how many faces? 9 faces over here. 4 above and 1 below. Vertices 9. 4 here and 1 above. So edges would be 16. So apply Euler's formula. 9 plus 9 equals to 16 plus 2. Or you can count them also. Then also you will find the 16. Okay, true. So this one. This is false. Why? Because faces 9, vertices 8. How come? If these two are the same figures, then both should be the same. Right? So that's why this is false. This pyramid 5, 5, 8. True. 5, 1 above, faces 5, vertices 5 and edges 8. Okay, true. Next is 8, 6 and 12. This is called as octahedron because 8 faces. So this is also true.